Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is day 1 of the 7-day plant-based challenge for November. So I'm going to be going over what I'm going to be eating, some recipes, and just briefly the workouts I'm doing as well. And right now it's about 10 a.m. I just got to the gym and I'm going to head in for 40 minutes of lap swimming. So that's going to be today's workout, along with several walks along the day. I like to get out and get a lot of fresh air throughout the day, walk my dog. But I'm going to do this lap swim workout, and then I'll be back in a little bit with what I'm going to be eating. I generally eat 2 meals a day. It does vary a little bit, but I do practice intermittent fasting. And usually my first meal is something like green juices and smoothies. And then usually my second meal is more of like a starch-based meal and a green salad and some fruit. So that's generally how my meals work out to be, but I'm not always exact, so it can vary a little bit. But I'll be back soon with what I'll be having for my first meal. So now it's about noon, and I'm about to put together my first of 2 meals for today. It's going to be a nutrition-packed smoothie. So let me know if anyone out there likes to make smoothies and what type of smoothies you like to make. Here's what I'm going to have for today. Here's my noontime super smoothie. And I'm going to put in 3 frozen bananas and 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, a few tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. I have date water, which is 3 dates soaked in about 6 ounces or so of water, a scoop of Garden of Life raw organic meal, a tablespoon of cacao powder, a scoop of each of these, Muscles by Nature and Superfood by Nature from Dr. Robert Morse. And these are powdered fruits, berries, and greens. Daily Green Boost. A scoop of Marcus Roscran's Green Formula, which is more fruits, berries, and herbs and greens. A couple tablespoons of almond butter and some almond milk. There it is, just over 1.5 liters. I already had some. It's delicious. Try this one out. Tell me what you think. I'll be back soon with what is next. For dinner, I'm going to start off with a bowl of grapes, and I'm going to cook up some potatoes and these breakfast burritos. So I'm going to show you this recipe for these really simple but tasty breakfast burritos. You're going to need some green onions, some cilantro, red pepper flakes, turmeric, a bell pepper, some salsa if you'd like. I'm going to use some diced jalapenos or diced peppers, soy sauce, a pound of firm tofu, and tortillas. And in the description box, I'll show the amount of each thing. And here's what you do. It's very simple. The first thing you do is drain the tofu and then mash it up with a fork in a bowl. Then slice up the onion and the bell pepper and cook on medium heat for a few minutes, and you can put a little water in there so it doesn't stick. Next, you stir in the tofu, chilies, the soy sauce, turmeric, and the red pepper flakes, and you continue to stir and cook that for about 5 minutes. There's the finished product there. I had some salsa put on top, and I had 3 of those burritos. Also had a couple of bowls of potatoes with some pepper and ketchup on it. And let me know, what did you guys have today? So thanks for watching, everyone. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe for more, and we'll see you soon. Have a great night, everyone. Bye.